So you want to do a head cleaning on your Epson EcoTank 2700 or maybe a power cleaning. There's going to be two options for you in this video, so stay tuned. If this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below, and if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. So the first route is using a PC or a Mac. If you're using one of those, even if you're using a laptop, if you're connected with a USB to the Epson EcoTank 2700 model, then what you can do is follow the instructions here on the screen. These are instructions that will take you through the utility settings in your computer for this printer, and you will be able to run a power cleaning. Now let's say you're like me and you're using your smartphone to connect to your Epson EcoTank 2700 and you don't really have any options to connect to a computer anytime soon, and you need to do this head cleaning. Well, what you can do is there is a section within the app that you can go to, and you can actually do a head cleaning. It's not a power cleaning, but it's one step below the power cleaning, and it'll get you similar results. And it may just be that you just need to do that and you don't need to do a power cleaning. If you do need to do a power cleaning, let's say you were following my video on how to clean the print head with the Best Printers cleaning kit, and you want to do a power cleaning because the head cleanings are not working or not functioning and they're not bringing back the color like you need them to. Link in the description below, by the way, for this cleaning kit. What you'll have to do is you'll have to hook up to a PC. So find a friend or a neighbor that has a PC, hook up with the USB, and you'll have to go through all the prompts of downloading everything and then going through the utilities, maintenance, and then going through the settings, utilities, and then you'll get to the point where you can do a power cleaning. So that is the only option with this printer. Unfortunately, it's a little bit complicated because it doesn't have options to press buttons and to do a power cleaning that way, unfortunately. So this is the route that you'll have to take.